Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my wax picks for probably a couple weeks. I wanted to pull out Christmas stuff. As you can see, I've started to sort of decorate my tree back here. It still needs work. Our other tree decided to eat it, and we wanted something really lightweight, so we always just get like a really tiny cheap tree. We don't, like, we had one of those big expensive ones, and it was just so heavy to lug up and down each year. And you know what, it's not really about the tree, it's more about, you know, who's in your house to love it, or the people that are surrounding it, I guess, not the price of the tree, or, you know, if it's full or whatever, it doesn't matter. So this one works for us. It's not too heavy to pull up and down. So anyways, all right, I pulled out stuff. I smell a lot of peppermint coming my way because I did pick a lot of like minty type scents. And let's go ahead and start. I smell something in the Super Tarts bin that's really coming at me. Okay, so the first thing I have is the Nutcracker, and this is Yognog, which is a Lush thing. Dupe. Hazelnut Christmas cookies and whipped cream cappuccino. I don't know why that was such a mouthful. So this one, I have no idea what it's going to smell like in the warmer. No idea. I'm not even sure what I'm smelling, but I've got that. And then an old favorite is Polar Express, which is hot chocolate topped with warm toasted marshmallows, raw cocoa dusted raspberries, and butter cookies. Let's have a whiff of this one. Oh, okay, you can really smell the raspberry in there now. I don't know, I remember the first time I hauled this, like when she first came out with the scent, I didn't love it, but I thought I'd give it another try. See how I like it. This one I got from my friend Lauren. I have had this for a long time. This one smells really good. This is Holiday Woods, and I can't remember what the exact scent notes are, but it smells amazing. Oh, just so, so good. So yeah, I want to use this up because I've probably had this sitting around for like 2 years. And I also have Bishop's Wife, which is Twisted Peppermint, Driftwood, and Vanilla Bean Noel. Oh, that one smells good. Like that one a lot. That one is not so heavy. Like, to me, the Twisted Peppermint is not like screaming at me like some of these. Oh, I think I mostly smell the Driftwood in there. It just makes a nice complement with the Twisted Peppermint. Then I have Good Grief, which is Christmas Tree, Winter Candy Apple, and Basil. This one's really interesting. I don't know what I'm smelling out of there, but it smells interesting. So we'll try that one. This one I've been wanting to try since I heard my friend Angie talk about it. Raj, which is frosted cinnamon rolls and pecan pie. And this one just had like a good morning one. You know, like if you had coffee going in your living room and this one in like the kitchen, I feel like that would be a really yummy mix. Next I have Twilights, which is woodsy pine and strawberry juice. This one I just picked up because of the pine, but the strawberry in here is actually really quite nice. Go lay down. Go lay down. Oh, we're having issues with the dog. Okay, Family Stone. I feel like I've had this clam forever because it's looking pretty ratchet. I don't know what happened to it. This one is just really good. It's cinnamon glazed vanilla beans. No, go lay down. Sorry. So this one is, if you don't like cinnamon, I would say, because I don't love cinnamon either, this one is pretty tame. It's like, I mean, it's there. You can definitely smell the cinnamon, but I feel like the glazed vanilla beans really tones it down. So I'd say if you're iffy on cinnamon, maybe skip that one. But if, you know, you're kind of like, I don't love it, but I don't hate it, you might like Family Stone. I also have Abominable, which is mistletoe, buttermint candies, and vanilla bean champagne. I don't think I've warmed this one yet. I feel like I have too. It smells great though. Nice minty scent. Christmas Vacation. This is a favorite. You know, I might save this one for Christmas. This is freshly cut Christmas tree and crisp snowy spearmint. Oh, this is just how you would think. I mean, it just smells so good with the freshly cut Christmas tree. Oh, you get that pine, and it's like the spearmint almost makes it a little sweet. I'm not really sure how, but it does to me. Let's see, I have Blue Ribbon Cookies from Sugar and Spice. Blue Ribbon Cookies is a great cookie scent. There's something about this scent. There were a few vendors that did this. It was like a, what was it, like a VCMA approved oil or something. I don't know, something weird like that, but Blue Ribbon Cookies was part of that. And then I have Holiday Inn, which is sugared plums, sweet berry jam, and vanilla bean Noel. This one really is intriguing to me because you really smell the jam, the berry jam, and the plum. I don't know. This one to me is almost not a Christmas scent. It's kind of different, so we'll see. Okay, and then let's get into the bags. So I have Blue Christmas from VCS, which is Sweet Marshmallow Peppermint Whip, and this just sounds amazing. I've been saving this one since last year. Oh, it just smells good. So this is from the October 2017. So I try to hold on to I try not to buy, like this year I don't think I've bought, well, I've bought a few Christmas scents, I think. Fezziwigs. I don't know how to pronounce that. What is that from, you guys? I don't even know. Is it, I feel like I should know, but it's not, maybe it's not a movie I've seen a whole bunch. Anyways, if you know, tell me down below. Christmas Party. And this is Blue Spruce, Balsam Fir, Warm Spices, and Cedar. Oh, and this one just screams Christmas, like pure Christmas to me. Oh, that one's so nice. It's different. It's different because of the spices and the cedar in there. It gives it a little bit of a different mix. I don't know. And then an old favorite is Central Park Snow Globe. I've had this one for a while, so I want to work through that one. This one I warmed in my bathroom actually over Thanksgiving, and I could still smell it even when it was off. It just left the bathroom smelling minty, which was awesome. I have this one from Tiffany Candles, which is Pink Peppermint, Vanilla Bean Noel with Gourmet Sugar Cookies Overpour. It was a loaf, and then I cut it. Then I have a Cider Lane Donut Shop with Danish Butter Cookies Overpour. This one, so Cider Lane kind of was getting like a little too much for me over like the months of September and October. But this one is a little bit nicer. I don't know, it's just nicer with the donut shop and the Danish butter cookies. It just has a different scent to it. It kind of tones down that Cider Lane, which is nice for me. I have a lot of bags in here, which I probably will not get through the entirety of these because it's just a little bit too much. Cindy Lou Who, which this one is kind of one you can warm all year round, I think. This is Cranberry Ginger Ale. I'm trying to turn it. My nails are not painted. I know, it's hard to believe, but I've been cleaning so much and like they just break off and my nails chip, so I was just like, screw it. So this is Prancer's Punch. This is Huckleberry Mango Ginger Ale. Yeah, this one I thought would be good if like I wanted to clear out some heavy scents or something, because this one's more of like a summer to me. Just a minute, buddy. I'm a-coming. So we'll try to go through these a little bit faster. This is Picture Window Tree. This one is more of a clean scent. This is Warm Mittens, Melting Snow, Crisp Mistletoe, and Musky Woods. I think it's a clean one. I can't open it. My other hand's full, but I thought this was a clean one. I don't think I meant to grab Marshmallow Man, but I did. So Marshmallow Man. That might be a good mixer, maybe. I did grab Central Park's Marshmallow Man. I grabbed the Marshmallow Man sample pack when she did it a while ago. The Night Before Christmas. And this is caramel cream cheese pretzel bars. Frozen hot chocolate. I have a bag of this from this year, so I figured I could use this. Hot cocoa with marshmallow and mint. That one smells really good. Love that one. So I pulled out this because I thought this might be a good one to kind of like, you know, when you've been having too many heavy scents, this would be more of like a clean scent. This is Meet Me in St. Louis. This is kind of like a dryer sheet, but kind of nicer. It's like a dryer sheet, but it's like a nicer version of a dryer sheet, I would say. That's what it smells like to me. Okay, just a few more things. I have Oh Holy Night, which again I've been holding on to for a year. This is butter pecan shortbread zucchini bread. And I also have Loveless Cafe Pillow Talk Central Park Snow Globe. And that's what that is. You know what? I think this is one that's popular, but I don't know if I like it. I feel like this is one that I didn't love. I don't know. Probably need to warm that and see pretty soon. Because if not, I'll probably end up like destashing it or something before the holidays are over so someone else can enjoy it. I have Christmas Time is Here. This is sugar cookies, Christmas trees, and peppermint. So, that one's pretty pepperminty. I don't know. We'll have to see if the other things come out of there or not. Just a minute, I'm coming, buddy. I grabbed some Rose Girls and Candy Cane Forest. I don't have the scent notes for that, but I'm pretty sure it's like a pepperminty. Oh, it's chocolate peppermint. Oh, I like that. Oh, that smells really good. Loving that. And then peppermint cotton candy ice cream cone. This is peppermint cotton candy frosting, vanilla ice cream, and waffle cone. Oh, well, that's a big shocker there. Yeah, I definitely like the Candy Cane Forest better. That one's an okay scent. And then I have, oh, I don't think I meant to grab this one either. Blueberry Man, but somehow it ended up in my basket. So it's Marshmallow Man and Rich Blueberry Jam. This one I actually really like. I don't love blueberry scents, but this one is good. And the last thing I grabbed is I wanted to grab a latte scent, so I grabbed Sassy Girl Aroma lattes with Cookie Monster. I have a huge bag of that, so hopefully this one smells more coffee than Cookie Monster. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh that one's carrying really good. That one smells really, really nice. I love her coffee and like latte scent, so hopefully that one will be good. Okay, that is everything I have. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I was kind of taking a little bit of a break and just kind of, I don't know, just trying to figure out life, I guess. Figure out like what I was doing exactly and all that. And yeah, I'm still like in the process of like trying to figure out like what I'm doing, where I'm going, that kind of thing. I don't know. It's weird when somebody you know close to you dies. Like you have a total like, I don't know, just like a life. What's the word? Life. I'm not going to be able to spit it out. You guys know what I mean, I think. I think you guys get me. But yeah, so I've just kind of been, I don't know, I've been focusing more inward on family and, you know, and to be honest, I haven't been warming as much as I usually do either. I usually, you know, have the warmers going a lot, but I really don't have any warm reviews because I have really very little that I've warmed. So yeah, hope to like kind of kick it back up a little bit with the warming. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving and that you guys are all doing well. If you want to comment down below, just anything wax related you want to talk about, or I don't know, just tell me how you guys are doing. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video and I will talk to you later. Bye guys.